Yo, what's up YouTube? How y'all doing today? Today we're going to pick up some new wheels. And what's special about these wheels are, these are my first set of 3-piece wheels. So I'm excited. So first of all, I gotta drive all the way to Nashville, which is a 4-hour drive. Today's gonna be an adventure, so come with me. I'm not sure y'all can see, but we stopped by motherfucking Buc-ee's, all in Cahoon. I'm not sure you can't see it. First stop, Buc-ee's. You know, your boy, you need to get some barbecue sandwich and shit. Want to see the biggest motherfucking gas station, all of Georgia. And plus, it's on the way to Tennessee. Oh, you got it?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Thank you, Chan, for coming along with me.
Yeah.
Alright. Time to, get the fucking wheels, huh? Yeah? Here you go. Here's my set of wheels. Work VSXX. So right now they're powder coated blue. I'm not really a fan of the blue, but actually in person it looks very nice. Maybe later in the future I might get it powder coated again, but head back home. Alright guys, we just secured the bag. Right now there's traffic. I don't know how the fuck there's traffic in Tennessee, because what the fuck goes on in Tennessee? But anyways, we secured the bag. Now it's time for us to go home. Let's see. How we got what?
We got like 3:45.
3:45.
Shit, not focusing.
Should be home by 9, around 9:30ish. That's not too late. I'm surprised. But yeah. Alright, I'm gonna head home. Alright y'all. We're at Buc-ee's. Back again. Almost home. An hour away, I guess. But look at how big this damn gas station is, bro.
This fucking sandwich was $8.
You dead ass?
Tripping. They tripping, son.
What the fuck?
Still bought it.
$4 for 87? That's not the move. God damn, I can't wait to slap them Johns on. Sir. And here's the wheels. Finally got them put on, got everything assembled. So far looking good. Looking good. Rear fitment decent. The fitment is not too bad, but I like it. The rears, the tires is on the thicker side. I had a hard time finding the rear tires size I need or I wanted. Ideally, I wanted a 225/35, but like I could not find it anywhere. Any online place, any tire store didn't really have the tires I really wanted it. And I ended up getting these tires. I ended up getting these tires for a friend. Got it for really cheap. Appreciate it. Shout out to Anthony. But front, this is where the stretch is at. Let me tell you all the specs. Front 18 by 9.5 plus 12 with a 4-inch barrel or 4-inch lip. Tires is 205 40 18s. Rears 18 by 10 with 4.5-inch lip. Looks nice. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until then, deuces.